Did you know Key West was Ernest Hemingway's ultimate getaway? Hit that subscribe button for more fun facts. Welcome to Key West, a tropical paradise drenched in sunshine. This island at the southernmost tip of the continental U.S. is a dream destination for those craving a mix of natural beauty and vibrant history. This is the Key West that stole Ernest Hemingway's heart. He landed here in 1928 and was instantly hooked by its unique charm. The island's magic was irresistible, pulling him into its lively and colorful life. The island's chill vibe and lively culture were the perfect backdrop for his writing. Outdoor cafes buzz with chatter, local musicians fill the air with tunes, and the colorful neighborhoods showcase the island's eclectic spirit. Hemingway found his happy place in Key West's natural beauty. He was drawn to its turquoise waters and vibrant marine life. The coral reefs bursting with colorful fish offered him a peek into an underwater wonderland. The island's seclusion gave him a sanctuary, a place to escape the hustle and bustle and focus on his craft. On secluded beaches and at his writing desk, Hemingway found the peace he needed to create. Key West was more than just a home for Hemingway, it was his muse. The island's essence seeped into his writing, inspiring some of his most famous works. His novels and stories capture the spirit of Key West, blending beauty and complexity. The island's people, its stories, and its very soul seeped into his writing, shaping some of his most celebrated works. Local storytellers keep the magic alive, sharing tales of Hemingway's time here. Hemingway's presence is still felt in Key West today. Tourists flock to the Ernest Hemingway Home and Museum, eager to walk in the footsteps of the literary legend. Guided tours offer a peek into the life he led on this enchanting island. His spirit lingers in the island's historic streets, its lively bars, and the tranquil waters where he found inspiration. As the sun sets, casting a golden glow over the island, you can almost feel Hemingway's presence, a timeless part of Key West's irresistible charm. Welcome to 907 Whitehead Street, where a grand Spanish colonial house stands proudly, brimming with tales of adventure and creativity. Built way back in 1851, this house became the ultimate hideaway for the legendary Ernest Hemingway. For over a decade, it was his haven of inspiration, a place where he could dive into his writing and let his imagination run wild. Within these walls, Hemingway penned some of his most famous works, like For Whom the Bell Tolls and The Snows of Kilimanjaro. Imagine the creative energy that flowed here, giving birth to literary masterpieces that still captivate readers today. Every nook and cranny of this house tells a story, from the furniture to the memorabilia. It's like stepping into Hemingway's world, filled with his adventurous spirit and zest for life. Check out the hunting trophies from his African safaris. These aren't just decorations, they're badges of his daring escapades and love for adventure. And look at this, Hemingway's typewriter still sitting on his desk as if waiting for him to return. This trusty machine was his partner in crafting countless stories, a true symbol of his dedication and passion for writing. Oh, and don't miss the six-toed cats. These quirky felines, descendants of Hemingway's own pet, Snow White, roam the house, adding a playful touch to this historic gem. These cats are more than just cute residents, they're a living link to Hemingway's love for animals and his appreciation for life's simple pleasures. Today, Hemingway's home is a vibrant museum, inviting visitors from all over the globe to explore the life and work of one of America's greatest writers. Walk through the rooms where Hemingway lived and wrote, and soak in the atmosphere that inspired his genius. Wander through his writing studio, stroll through the lush gardens, and let your imagination transport you back in time. Experience the magic of Hemingway's world and see why this place continues to enchant visitors year after year. Welcome to Sloppy Joe's, the legendary watering hole that Hemingway adored. With its buzzing vibe fueled by rum runners and fishermen, it was the perfect backdrop for his tales. Hemingway loved a good drink and even better company, making this place his second home. His go-to drink? A simple yet refreshing rum and soda. He loved its straightforwardness, perfect for quenching his thirst after a day of writing or fishing. The walls here are a treasure trove of photos and memorabilia, capturing the spirit of Hemingway's era. Today, Sloppy Joe's is a must-visit for both locals and tourists, all eager to soak up the same lively atmosphere. This iconic bar is a testament to Hemingway's love for Key West's vibrant social scene and the countless stories born within its walls. Come join the fun! Section 4, Captain Tony's Saloon, a haven for Hemingway's spirit, the legacy lives on. Captain Tony's Saloon, a must-visit Key West hotspot, was one of Hemingway's favorite hangouts. This former ice house, with its rugged charm, was a lively gathering place for smugglers, sailors, and writers. Hemingway loved Captain Tony's for its genuine vibe. It was the perfect spot to mingle with locals and soak up their fascinating tales, stories that often inspired his own legendary works. One of Hemingway's go-to drinks at Captain Tony's was the famous Papa Doble, a zesty mix of rum, grapefruit juice, and lime. This drink, named in his honor, is still a hit today, a delicious nod to his lasting legacy at the bar. Captain Tony's Saloon, like Sloppy Joe's, is a vibrant reminder of Hemingway's Key West adventures. It's a place where you can step back in time and feel the creative energy that once fueled Hemingway's spirit. Section 5, the Gulf Streams call Hemingway's muse. Beyond the lively bars and social gatherings, Hemingway found his true escape and inspiration in the vast, sparkling waters of the Gulf Stream. The endless horizon and the gentle sway of the waves offered a refreshing break from the hustle and bustle of Key West. An enthusiastic angler, Hemingway spent countless hours on his beloved boat, the Pilar, reeling in marlin, tuna, and even sharks. These fishing adventures were more than just a hobby. They were thrilling encounters with nature, testing his endurance and skill. The Gulf Stream, with its wild and unpredictable nature, became a vibrant metaphor for the ups and downs of life in Hemingway's stories. The choppy waters mirrored the dramatic experiences he often wrote about, from the struggles of his characters to their epic battles. It symbolized the raw power and beauty of nature, a force that both thrilled and humbled him. The mighty ocean waves and the relentless pursuit of the fish he sought were reflections of the human spirit's resilience and determination. Hemingway's fishing trips were not just about the catch, they were about adventure and a deep connection to the natural world. Each trip was a journey into the unknown, a chance to explore the mysteries of the sea and in turn discover more about himself. The solitude of the open sea allowed him to clear his mind, observe, and draw inspiration for his stories. In the quiet moments between the excitement of the catch and the calm of the sea, Hemingway found the clarity to craft his narratives, infusing them with the essence of his maritime adventures. The Gulf Stream, with its boundless energy and untamed beauty, left a lasting impression on Hemingway's writing, shaping his themes and influencing his characters. The ever-changing seascape, with its moments of serenity and excitement, became a canvas upon which Hemingway painted his literary masterpieces, forever intertwining his legacy with the spirit of the sea. Subscribe to our channel for more.